Hey everybody out there, thanks for stopping by Mike's Affordable Scuba for 60-second scuba shorts. Today what we're going to be doing is we're going to look at the nitrox analyzer. This one is manufactured by Analox. It is the Analox EII. To power it on the side you'll find this little power button here. Once you push it, you'll start to see numbers show up on the top. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this little dial here. We're going to just make a fine-tune adjustment to get it down to 20.8 or 20.9. You want it to be slightly below 21% so that when you're reading the air initially, we know for sure that it's actually reading air. So now that we're at 20.8, we're prepared to go ahead and analyze our tank, which once the air is flowing from our tank, we're going to go ahead and push this little pinhole up against the gentle breeze coming out of your valve. And that is how you prepare your nitrox analyzer.